Hello guys, in the last tutorial I show you how to pre-process your data and create a data set in array form and save that array. In this tutorial I'll show you how to create a model, a convolutional neural network model to classify a dog and cat image using tflearn, which is a wrapper based on TensorFlow library. So open terminal. Here we will make another subl model.py. Okay, so here it is. So from future import division print function and absolute import. Import numpy as np, import tflearn as tf, from tflearn dot layers dot core import input data dropout and fully connected. From tflearn dot layers dot con import con2d and max pool 2d. Import pickle. Okay, so now our train data will be pickle dot load open main data dot p as read test data will be equal to pickle dot load open test data dot p as again read. So our train data and test data has been loaded now. Now x comma y is equal to train data of 0 to not 0, okay, all the rows, but from 0 to length. Here image size is equal to 50 and again length is equal to image size into image size. Okay, 0 to length, and y will be 0 to 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 train data of all the rows from which columns. The column will be length 2 length plus 2 or length to all and up till end. X test comma y test will be equal to same like above, but test data of 0,0 to length and test data all comma length to end. Okay, what we have to do with x, because x will be equal to x dot reshape -1 comma 50 comma 50 comma 1. Okay, so -1 shows number of rows. Okay, so why -1? Because it suggests that none. Okay, so matlab don't count the number of rows. How many number of rows are there, keep it there. Others, the matlab that means the whole row, which is 1 comma 2500, convert it into 50 by 50 by 1 matrix. Okay, so x is done. Same we have to do with x test. X test will be equal to x test dot reshape. Okay, so again we will reshape our data into 50 by 50 image. Now we will create our model. Network is equal to input data. Now we have to define its shape. Shape is equal to none. Again same, don't consider the number of rows. How many number of rows come, let them come, and 50 by 50 by 1. Okay, now network is equal to con 2d network comma number of filters, that's 30. I'm just picking it at random. 30 comma 3 comma activation is equal to value, that's rectified linear. Now network is equal to max pull 2d with input as network and max pull by 2. Okay, so let's copy these, paste these, because we are using the network name only, we are not giving different names to all the different layers. Okay, so let's keep the second layer same. Okay, again we have to do the same thing. I just pasted. Let's increase the number of filters by 40 and let keep the size 3 by 3 only. Okay, so this is the size of the filter, 3 by 3. If we are writing 4, then it's 4 by 4, so let's keep it 3 by 3. Okay, same. Let's add another convolutional layer with same number of filters by 40. Okay, add another with same number of filters 40, and add another with 30. Let's see 30. Okay, now we will do network is equal to fully connected network, comma 100, comma activation is equal to value. Let's rectify linear. Let's add some dropout also. So network is equal to dropout network, comma 0.5. So dropout is used to prevent our network from overfitting. It will just randomly turn off some of the nodes and try to see what is happening. So it will prevent our model to overfit, to prevent from overfitting. Okay, we still, let's add one another fully connected layer with 50 nodes, and another with just 2 nodes, that they are our output nodes, 1 0 and or 0 1. Okay, so we have created our model. So now train model. Now we will train model. So network is equal to regression with previous, that's network, comma optimizer is equal to Adam, loss is equal to categorical cross entropy, learning rate is equal to 0.001, model is equal to tf dot dnn, network, comma tensor board verbose is equal to 0. Now model dot fit, this will train our data. So x our inputs, y our input labels, 0 1 or 1 0, number of epochs is equal to 5. If your model has while training, if initial 5 epochs, in initial 5 epochs its accuracy is increasing, then your model is good. Otherwise change that model, it's not at all good. It will start, you will see, I will put the link in the description box below where I have shown while the model was training, okay, on cloud. I will put that link in the description box below. Validation set is equal to x test comma y test. So our test data, okay. Show metric is equal to true, batch size is equal to 96 or 100, whatever you want to do. Run id is equal to my CNN. After training, model dot save with my CNN dot tflearn. Okay, so that's it. It should work. I'll put the link in the description box below where I have shown while the model was training. So please check that out. Okay, bye.